It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have a box of Avon here. How cool is that? This came yesterday. So every campaign, I order the first day of the campaign, Wednesday morning, and then I always get my order by Friday. So for those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including how to order. If you spend $60, you get free shipping. Also, Avon just brought back the promotional tool, which means that if you sign up on my page and put your name and email in, you're going to start getting coupons from me. Yay, the coupons are back. So everyone who is currently signed up, you should have got an email from me for 10% off $40. There's a free A-box. So definitely check those promotion tab emails for any emails from me regarding any of these cool promos. So I'm going to dive in to this box. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So during the Avon kickoff event, reps were able to order this Mother's Day gift bag full of stuff. I got one of those. I'm so excited. So I'll get to that. But the first thing I want to show you is Avon Home has got such good stuff now. So I did get these, they're steel wire brushes for the kitchen. I got 2 packs of these. I'm so excited. These look really neat. Everything so far I've ordered from Avon Home has been fabulous. And they actually this time gave me a book of the home collection. They've got a lot of stuff, and they're actually coming out with some pet stuff, which I thought was really neat. Avon is going to have pet shampoo and an odor eliminator. How cool is that? But like I said, lots of cool stuff in here. Another thing that I got, which is in here, is this grout cleaner. Oh my goodness. So check this out. I don't think I've seen one of these before, but I have one of those bathtubs in my main bathroom with like the plastic insert, and there's like a space between the tub and the shower top, and it always gets like, you get like mold buildup there. This works so well to get the mold out. I am loving this thing, so I got another one. So, I think those are the only home things I got this time. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm actually going to review these separately. I'm not even going to open them now. Coming soon, we've got the brand new Haiku scents. These are perfume. They are called Intense. We've got Sacred. We've got Coyote Flower and the regular Haiku. But I don't even know what these smell like, but I'm so excited to try these. Always fun to get new fragrances from Avon. So I'm really excited to review these coming up soon. So hit the subscribe button. So, oh, I also got another lipstick. This is the new FMG Glimmer I've been raving about. And this shade is, what is this one? Cyclone. I want to get all the shades of this. This is a, ooh, I like this one. This is kind of a reddish brown. I do like brown shades. I'm going to put this over my other lipstick. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I like this one. Like I said, I've always been a big fan of kind of like brown raisin shades, so that is a good one for my collection. Like I said, I'm going to try and get all of these. So I did get the Mother's Day bag. Check this out. Neat bag that you can use for summer. I have to check on the price on these, but I know this is like a purchase with purchase where if you buy something, then you're going to get the bag for something. I don't know. I got to figure out what the price is on these. But anyway, it's kind of like a, I don't know if this is like vinyl on the bottom, but that's kind of nice because then it's not going to get wet. But super cute bag for Mother's Day. I always love like a Mother's Day bag. And then you can kind of load it up with a whole bunch of cool stuff. So what I got in the bag as part of this kickoff event is I got one of the Caress Me Cashmere Skin Perfecting Primer Cushions. How fun is this? Look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is Korean Beauty. Look how pretty this is. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me open this one up. There's a button. And then this is, like I said, one of those cashmere cushions. How pretty. Remove sticker. Look at the shade. How gorgeous is this whole unit? Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to review this more in depth, but this is gorgeous. This would make a really nice gift for Mother's Day. So I'm super excited about that. Look at the box. Super pretty. So that is coming. Let me look. So this is the campaign 10 catalog. We're in campaign 8. I think the Mother's Day stuff, I'll have to look, is coming in 9 or 10. Okay, you know what? I think it is coming in 10. I'll have to look when 10 starts. So you can see we've got the haiku coming. So a couple weeks, it'll be here. And then we got from the Face Shop, we got a mask set. How fun is that? Look at all these awesome masks you can buy. Check it out. There's all different ones in here. Aloe, lemon. Oh, that's fun. So you get a whole, there's 10 of them in here. That's really neat. Again, in a very giftable box here. Then I also got, that's one advantage of being an Avon rep. You get all these neat opportunities to buy these like packages. I think this is a pearl. Ah, yes, this is the pearl necklace. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness, you guys, that is gorgeous for summer. That would actually match the outfit I'm wearing right now. How funny is that? That is really pretty, you guys. Okay, next up, what is this? This is the, oh, the cashmere eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited about the eyeshadow coming to Avon. Oh, this is going to be pretty. I know it is. Look at this. Let me open this up. Of course, we get a mirror. I love it when you get a mirror. Let me just cover the mirror, otherwise I'm going to blind you. There we go. Look at these pretty shades. Oh, my goodness. Oh, these are soft, too. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. It's really pigmented, too. I got to try this out. Pretty. I love the shades, though. I love brown eyeshadow. I think I've mentioned that before, so I got that. And then the last thing I got, the birthday balms. I know a lot of you love the birthday balms. There's a cute little package here, and you, oh, these aren't the birthday balms. I thought I got the birthday balms in here. Where the heck? Maybe I didn't. I don't think I got the birthday balms. What is this? Oh, a surprise. This is the Caress Me multi-palette. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh my gosh, you guys. I didn't get the birthday bombs. I got this instead. I can't remember even what I got. Isn't that funny? Oh, it comes with a cool little brush. Look at this. This is actually really pretty. Look at how gorgeous this is, this blush. So I'm going to just take a little bit. I got to try it out. Anyway, the birthday bombs, they have like 3 little minis in a package for Mother's Day. I don't know if you can see this if I put it on. Actually, you can a little bit. Look at that. That looks actually really pretty. I look a little bit more springy now. Don't want to put too much on. That's really pretty though. Look at that for spring. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited about this. Now, does the brush go in here? No, I don't think so. But I like that you get a little brush with it. That's really cool. So anyway, this is what I got in this order. Catalog's coming up. Like I said, this is going to be the campaign 10 cover. And then there's like a little insert one. So anyway, lots of good stuff from Avon. I am excited. Like I said, if you want to order anything, the link is below. Shipping is free on 60. Sign up for those coupons. And if you're interested in selling Avon, it's free to join. You get the free Fazio gel with any order. When you place a $60 order, your first order, you get 135 lip balm. So it's an awesome deal. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Put any questions in the comments too. Bye-bye.